Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add custom links to your YouTube channel on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this, go to YouTube Studio. We have a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search and then click, go to YouTube Studio. Make sure you are signed into the account and then go to View Channel on YouTube. Collapse the menu. Go to About. If you see nothing there, go to Customize Channel. And now collapse the menu again. Go to Links on the bottom left corner. Custom Links. Overlay first 5 custom links on channel art. Yes, go to add and then add any links you prefer. I'll just be adding Instagram, Twitter, my social media. Take the URL, highlight, copy, go back to your YouTube channel. Link title could be Instagram. Add another, go to Twitter, take the URL, highlight, copy, go back to your YouTube channel, paste the URL, link title, Twitter, click on done once you have added the links you require. And now we have Instagram, Twitter. If we refresh the page, and now we have the links on the channel art. Go back to YouTube Studio, click on View Channel on YouTube, and now we see the custom channel links that we added to the YouTube channel to overlay the channel art. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.